I work in customer service. I believe if I can keep my customer informed throughout the process, it just makes them more comfortable and gives them realistic expectations. And that was absolutely met by Peterman Plumbing Heating there. I knew when they were coming out, they were on time. I got a text ahead of time saying they were on their way. I got a call midpoint to say things were going well, and they were done and out and cleaned up before I ever got home. So all the way through the process, I was well informed, I was kept up to speed and up to date. Perfect. My name is Pete. I live in Indianapolis. I had a plumbing issue as far as drainage from my house. I'm a relatively new homeowner to this home. And you guys had a sign and had done some work for one of my neighbors, Peterman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. And you guys were like ants. My wife was just really impressed with how quickly you got in there. You didn't make a mess, cleaned up after yourself, professional looking, everybody wearing, you know, the same uniforms and things. And it was 2 days later that we started to have plumbing issues. I walked across the street, asked my neighbors what exactly they had done, and they just sung you guys' praises. Hey, you were, you know, fast, courteous, the best price that they could find, and they had done some shopping around. So I called and left a voicemail and got a call within 24 hours. When Jonathan came out and looked at it, it was really kind of a discombobulated mess. I liken it to chucking a truck. So somebody had done the plumbing work. It was obviously not someone who knew what they were doing, wasn't a professional. So it worked, but not optimally, and I was just having repetitive issues with backup and slow drainage. So now you can use the shower and the sink and the dishwasher and go nuts. I tell people, have a good time, you know, play in the water. They cleaned up their mess wonderfully. By the time I got home, other than brand new piping, I couldn't tell that you had even been there. I had a motorcycle, which is my baby, in the area that they were doing the work. They had to move it further out of the way and took great care. Contacted my wife first, hey, you know, we need to move the motorcycle. Took a couple of guys to do it, moved it out of the way, didn't get it dirty and, you know, all of that. So I was impressed with the cleanup. My wife said they were very friendly, very professional. It was just all the way around a wonderful experience. I don't have a single bad thing to say. The price is, you know, what I expected. Cleanup, courteous, on time, just the whole thing. Absolutely, I have not a negative comment to say.